Let's go.
We need to catch more birds. Any ideas?
I have an idea.
What it is?
There it is. Where the hell am I?
Dare, cook and eat the bird's eggs.
Put him in a giant box of TNT.
Comment pig dares on this video. Hello piggers, Ross here. Ross dares. Meet Eric Cartman. No. Dare, become the new pig king and get rid of the actual king. Can you follow me?
Okay.
Dare, make a realistic funny face.
Hey Ross, you should try Bad Piggies too.
Okay. This looks legit.
Bruh.
You're going to the BFDI dimension.
Where the pig am I?
You stupid.
It's time for the first challenge.
I wonder how is Ross doing? I gotta get Ross back.
Hey bro, you got a phone call.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Use needy by slap to escape. Needy. Dare, use F4 plus Alt key to escape.
This place is real.
Dare, buy a flying steak from Gelatin. Can we buy a flying steak? Dare, win the show to escape.
Many months later.
Congratulations Ross, you won Battle for Dream Island with 911 votes.
Can I go back to my dimension?
No.
Dare, kill the announcer. Dare, summon pre-chrome pig. Dare, dig straight down to escape. Dare, calculate 8% 0 to escape. Dare, go to the back rooms.
When the imposter is us. Welcome to Earth.
Where is the exit?
Industrial society and its future.
Barbecue bacon burger.
Dare, try to break the backroom floor.
Bruh.
Dare, go to the level the end and go to the computer and delete all the files, but do not click that file that has a image. Dare, escape through a random toilet. Hi girls, what's your plan?
Bruh.
Sorry, we do not use
Bruh.
We have to search a new engine.
Are you serious, my brother?
We have found a new engine. Hurry up.
Among Us! Among Us! Among Us!
Thanks for saving me, amigas.
Among Us!
This place looks fire.
Among Us!
This looks delicious. I can finally try the Jack's potion.
Are you serious, my brother?
Barbecue bacon burger.
Dare, build a thick
Among Us!
Dare, use teleporter. Dare, kill Jax. This is what you get for making me drink your potion.
Hey Ross, wanna try our new Happy Meal?
What it is?
We added the amazing Digital Circus Happy Meal. Your Digital Circus Happy Meal is here.
Why did I just become a plushie?
I need to destroy the Jack's plush.
Wait, no.